Hi everyone, I'm Ayush. I'm software engineer and I love building software and AI application that can solve real world problems. And over the past few years, I have building full stack system end to end, things like mobile application, software, and AI systems. And I am usually drawn to the problems where people spend a lot of time doing repetitive or redundant work, and the software can make that process much simpler. And one example of that is a tool that I have built at MachIntell called Draw AI. Let me quickly show how it's work. So this is the interface of the software. In the mechanical engineering, teams usually start by designing a part 3D CAD, and but when the design goes to the manufacturing, factory still need 2D technical drawing with the right views and the GD&T. Engineers typically create those drawings manually from the 3D model, and that step can take a lot of time, especially when working on many parts. So this software can help to reduce the time of the designer. So I'll show you by creating one project. So I create one new. So I'll pick one 3D guide, a step file. It's a model of the weldment. So it will process all the step file and it will extract all the geometry and it will plan how to project the 3D and it will extract all the features and like kind of all the parts of the model. Then here you can see all the 3D projection of the model. And so this is the model. And in this page, you can apply all the GD&Ts for each and every feature. So, and you can touch in the screen and you can select the feature. And in this demo, I'll not show you the with the tolerancing and all, and I'll show you the simple drawing part. So in this page, you need to create some plan. So this plan is generated by the R system. And either you can choose this plan and you can generate by yourself, or you can take help of AI to generate the plan. I'll choose the default plan. So here you can see all the settings of the drawing canvas. So here he generated a drawing. So we need to and also for the and also inside the box. So that the problem that we are solving to reduce the time that takes to making these 2D drawings. So instead of engineers spending times drafting each drawing manually, the system can convert the 3D design into the manufacturing drawing. So, but still it's under development and R&D part. So, but once it's developed in the ideal phase, you can see the production level 2D manufacturing drawing. So the idea is simple to reduce the repetitive work and the help to move faster from design to the production. So yeah, project like this are type of things that I enjoy. And if resources were not the constraint, the kind of system I would focus on the building are the AI intelligence platform that can automate larger operational workforce across the industry. Many processes still depends on the people, like they heavily depend on the people coordinating work across different tool and steps. I think the next generation of software will gradually automate those layers and make operational much smoother. That's the direction I'm excited to keep building it. Yeah, thanks for watching.